Hello, I'd like to demo Kendraio App. It's a dashboard for asset and rights management. And what we're doing within the app is integrating with third-party services. And I'm going to show you YouTube. So the first thing we need to do is log into YouTube. So let's go here and log in. Log in with Google. Choose the account we want to log in with. And now we're logged in as Kendraio within the app. So first thing to do is to list all our videos. So I'm going to go to Workflow Cloud, and then I'm going to search for the workflows that are working with YouTube. And I'm going to launch the list and edit workflow. So I'm going to show my videos. And this lists all the videos within my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to flip over to YouTube itself and let's have a look at all of the videos that I've got there. So as you can see, what we're doing with via the API interface is very similar to what you have in the actual interface given to you by YouTube. Then we're going to do some edits. So let's take an example video. This is me in 1999. Let's add something to the description. So I've got the ability to edit the description, the title, thumbnails, and tags. Let's just put a few exclamation marks in there. And what should we add? This is I'm orange. There you go. Then before we do that, let's just check that those don't exist. So here's the tags. Here's the description. Let's go and submit these now. So we're submitting it via the API to YouTube. And we come back to the web interface provided by YouTube and we do a reload. And we find the exclamation marks there and the extra orange tag there. So we are actually interfacing with YouTube via the Kendraio app. Now, the interesting thing about this particular workflow and all the workflows that we're building is that it's using a low-code philosophy. So in actual fact, rather than creating specific code for each one of these workflows, we're specifying configuration. And what this means is it's much easier to build these workflows and share these workflows, compare these workflows, build on top of these workflows. They become building blocks for other workflows, and we can have nested workflows, and it's a very powerful experience. We're very much in the first stages of building out the Kendraio app and building how it operates, and that we can imagine many other ways of expressing and visualizing the workflows. But this is our first step, really. And so here you can see the form that appears up here, and then within the context block, you can actually see us logging into the Google API. And then the grid displays what's returned by Google. And there's some other stuff there as well. And we can add tasks from a selection of tasks within the Kendraio app. So this is all available at app.kendra.io. So please go and play. Please give us your feedback. Please join the Slack channel. Please get in touch. If you want to integrate a particular API, then work with us and we can help you do that. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.